Welcome. In this very short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable card table in Basecamp. All right. So first up, log into your Basecamp account. And then once you're in here on your dashboard, click on a project where you wanted to enable or disable the card table. Okay. Click on it. And then once done, as you can see here, mine is already enabled. Okay. So what we'll do to disable it is just go ahead and go to the top right, click on three dots. Now go ahead over to Setup Tools, okay? Click on it, and then here, just find the card table right here. So just go ahead and use the slider, click on it to turn it off. And once it's turned off, it will be landed to the bottom where it says Tools you aren't using. Okay, when you go ahead over to your project, as you can see here, cards or the card table is now unavailable. Now to make it online again or enable it, go back to the same set of pages. Right here, Setup Tools, scroll down and enable card tables. And if you want to enable all, just do the same. Use the slider, and once done, go back to your project and every tool right here will be listed. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.